As a dentist, you care about the well-being of your patients and your practice. That's why you'll want to please your patients and attract more of them with Glidewell IO. Design, mill, and deliver with the support of Glidewell Laboratories and save over 65% on your lab bill too. Use daily, Glidewell IO is your solution to the pain and discomfort associated with unhappy patients and a struggling practice. Warning: side effects include delighted patients. BruxZir NOW crowns for as little as $35, 65% savings on your lab bill, more efficient workflow, seamless integration with your lab partner, more satisfied team members, and increased profits for your practice. Caution: some practices may experience a significant increase in patient satisfaction. With the Glidewell IO in-office solution, your practice may experience rapid or excessive growth. If these conditions occur, continue to use Glidewell IO daily or contact Glidewell Laboratories to prescribe more. Remember, Glidewell IO is not for every practice, just those ready to embrace the future and take control of their restorative procedures.
Oh, they love it. The team loves it. They talk about it. It makes their life easier as well.
Right.
Because then they're not dealing with impressions and boxes and putting stuff here and there. We still do that because you do a bridge, you do other things, but that's the bread and butter.
Glidewell IO, the cure for the common practice.